Hi, I'm Pearl Uberu, and today I'll walk you through how AI Genie helps business teams get the answers they need without having to know SQL or any complex tools. Picture this: you're an analyst at a coffee and pastry franchise company, and your team keeps asking you the same questions over and over, such as which product sold the most units? Or, what were the top selling franchises last quarter? Instead of digging through dashboards or running SQL queries every single time, imagine if there was a way that they could just ask these questions directly, like having a conversation. That's exactly what Genie does. Setting up Genie is super simple. You can create it from a dashboard, a table, or directly from the navigation bar. You name it, describe what data it covers, choose a warehouse, and then add some example questions to help guide your team. Think about the key questions they'll want answered. The more you prep Genie with instructions and context, the better it performs. The best part? You only see data you have access to, so it's secure and governed from the start. Once Genie is set up, it's time to see it in action. Let's start with a common question. Which product sold the most units? It looks like our best seller is Outback Oatmeal. Now, let's ask, show me all products in descending order. Genie quickly lists them, showing Tokyo Tidbits and Golden Gate Ginger close behind. Unlike rigid BI-driven dashboards, Genie learns over time. If it doesn't understand something, like how much revenue did we make from our cash cows in May 2024, Genie will ask for clarification. Once I define cash cows as customers spending over $150 weekly, Genie will remember that for next time. To verify that Genie understood what was asked, you can take a look at the underlying SQL code. As you can see, cash cows are customers with a weekly spend of over $150. You can also save these explanations as instructions, making Genie smarter with every interaction. Once you've tested Genie and you're confident that it's accurate, you can share it with your team. You can select who can manage, edit, run, or even view Genie. Unity Catalog handles permissions, so everyone only sees what they're supposed to. Sharing is as easy as sending a link. After launch, you can monitor how your team uses Genie. Feedback buttons let users rate responses so that you can see what works and what needs some tweaking. It's a great way to stay proactive about improving Genie, keeping it aligned with what your business users need. Now, let's talk about how Genie stays accurate. Good data governance is key, and that's where Unity Catalog comes in. Unity Catalog manages your data and AI governance, making sure that Genie always uses the right data without duplicating anything. Here, I can add comments to tables and columns that Genie will use to better understand the data. Genie transforms how your team interacts with data by making it as easy as having a conversation. No more hunting through dashboards or writing complex SQL. Just ask and get the insights that you need. The seamless integration with Unity Catalog ensures that data governance and security are maintained at every step, giving you confidence that your answers are accurate and compliant. So give Genie a try today and watch it work its magic so that your team can focus on what they do best, which is driving your business forward.